Hi there, check out this beautiful mandala flower silent wall clock that measures 12 inches and features a stunning wooden mandala flower design. It offers dual modes, so you can mount it on the wall or place it on a tabletop, making it perfect for your home or office. The clock operates silently with precise quartz movement and clear Arabic numerals for easy time reading. Crafted from high-quality wood, it ensures durability and long-lasting use. Its versatile design fits perfectly in dining rooms, studies, kitchens, or bedrooms. This elegant clock also makes a thoughtful gift for housewarmings, weddings, or birthdays. Add a touch of modern artistry and functionality to any space with this exquisite clock. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.